In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving discounts, commission, and higher purchase for WASSCE. So guys, we have 5 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, a week sold his house through an agent who charged 8% commission on the selling price. If a week received $117,760 after the sale, what was the selling price of the house? So let's call the selling price of this house X. This is going to be 8% of the selling price, which is X. We don't know the selling price. 8%, that's 8 over 100 of the selling price times X equals $117,760. Okay, so it says if every receives money after the sale, what was the selling price of the house? So for you now to get the selling price of the house, since the selling price is X, it will be X, the selling price minus this commission, 8% commission. So this is something as 8x over 100 equals this money he received. Okay, so this is a mathematics we need to solve this. The selling price is unknown, call it X minus the commission, that's 8% of the selling price, that's 8x over 100 equals this. So let's punch this on a calculator now to get the answer. So we're going to make use of equation solver. First, let's reset press shift button 9, full instructions, press 3, press equals, and press equals again. So we have X minus in fraction 8x okay over 100 equals what? Press alpha calc, this value $117,760. so that's it. Let's solve this. Press shift calc, assign x to be 0, press equal to. So this shows that the house was sold at $128,000. okay, option B. What was the selling price of the house? $128,000. so that's how you can solve this problem. Let's wipe this now. So the next repeated question. So the next repeated question will be this one. It says a man bought a television set on a hire purchase for 25,000 naira, out of which he paid 10,000 naira. If he is allowed to pay the balance in 8 equal installments, find the value of each installment. Okay, so when you subtract 10,000 naira from 25,000 naira, because he bought television set and hire purchase for it, out of which he paid, okay, so out of the 25,000 naira is to pay, he paid 10,000 naira, so remaining 15,000 naira, right? So it says if he's allowed to pay the balance, that's 15,000 naira in 8 equal installments, find out the value of each installment. So this is very, very simple, guys. Simple mathematics. Let's bring a calculator and solve this. So you wipe this, it will be in 8 installments, it will be 15,000 naira remaining to be paid, divided by 8, that's 8 installments. Press equal to, what's the output? 1,875 naira. okay, so that's the answer. Option D, 1,875 naira is how much you will pay in 8 installments to meet up 15,000 naira. The next repeated question will be this one. Guys, before you solve this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more. This video really appreciate this. This question says the shopper allows a discount 15% on the market price of a mobile phone if a customer paid 170 Ghana cedis for a mobile phone. What was the market price of the phone? So note that in this question, the market price is the normal price. All right, so we don't know the market price, so we're going to call it X. All right, so it's going to be X minus 15% of the marked price, so it will be 15 over 100 times x equals 170 Ghana cedis. This is same thing as x minus 15 x over 100 equals 170 Ghana cedis. So let's punch the calculator now to get the results. So let's remove this, make use of equation solver. So we have x minus in fraction 15 x over 100, okay, equals 170 Ghana cedis. So to solve this, press shift calc, assign x to be 0, press equal to, so we have it to be what, 200 Ghana cedis. So this will give you the mark price, the normal price of the phone. So the right option is option C. That's it for this question. Let's wipe this now. So the next question. So the next question will be this one. It said the woman received a discount of 20% on a piece of clothes she purchased from a shop. If she paid $525, what was the original price? So it's still the same procedure we used to solve the previous question. So we don't know the original price or the mark price. Let's call it x. It will be x minus 20% discount, just like a reduction price. Okay, so that's 20 over 100. So 20% on a piece of clothes you purchased from a shop. That's 20% discount means 20% of the original price. That's, we don't know the original price, times x equals what, $525. So this is same thing as x minus 20x over 100 equals $525. Let's punch in the calculator. Let's in the calculator. So this will be, we have alpha x minus a fraction 20x over 100, okay, equals alpha this equals what, $525. To store, press shift calc, assign x to be 0, press equal to. So we have the original price to be $656.25. So the right option is what, option A, $656.25. So that is for this question. Let's wipe this now. So the last question before I end this video. So the last question will be this one. It says the seller allows 20% discount for a cash payment on the mark price. The mark price is the normal price of his goods. What is the ratio of the cash payment to the marked price? So the marked price here is 100%. Let's call it the, okay, marked price. What's the ratio? The marked price MP is 100%, whereas the discounted price allows to be discount for cash payment. So the cash payment is the discounted price. So cash payment CP will be 100% minus 20%, which give you what, 80%. So the ratio of the cash payment to the mark price will now be 80% is to 100%, which is something as 80 over what, 100. So 80 over 100 is going to cancel 0. So 2 into this 4, 2 into this 5. So we have the ratio to be what, 4:5. The right option is what, option C. So guys, this is basically I can deal with problems involving this discount, commission, and higher purchase for WASSCE maths. So practice with 5 repeated questions for this video. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to the channel, once more, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I will be sure to give you a response. So ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, where you'll be getting premium information that help you to excel in your external exams like WASSCE and other external exams you're writing. Otherwise, having known this, click on the screen above, and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.